Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. We've changed the format of the daily review a bit. In Section 1, we'll discuss today's results. In Section 2, we'll present some of the background for our analysis. Before we get started, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. Today is Thursday, February 27th, 2014. It's now 2:41 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The U.S. equity markets had another up day. The S&P was up. Price closed at a new all-time high, though the recent intraday high of 1856.75 has not yet been broken. Support is at 1723 as seen by the green oval, and resistance is at 1887, which can be seen by the pink oval. The US dollar was down, and it remains in the downtrend channel, highlighted by the red dashed lines. Support is at 21.32 as seen by the green oval, and resistance is at 21.96 as seen by the pink oval. Here's the ADX analysis chart for Thursday, February 27th. Please compare this with the results of your analysis. From the ADX analysis and the strength calculator, we have the following currency strengths. There are two strong currencies and one weak currency. There are two qualified pairs, the CAD yen and the CAD Swiss franc. Here's our trade analysis summary for February. For open trades, our CAD Swiss franc trade was triggered and we're now short 9 micros at 0.7973. Target number 1 is 0.7893 and our stop loss is at 0.8056. No new orders were placed today. Let's first look at the price chart of our open trade on the CAD Swiss franc. We're short 9 micros at 0.7973. Target number 1 is 0.7893 and our stop loss is at 0.8056. The second qualified pair was on the CAD yen. This would be a bearish trade. Most recently we see the price moving sideways though. Let's now look at some of the popular Forex pairs to trade. Here's the Aussie US dollar. Price continues to move sideways. Here's the Euro Aussie dollar. Price is in a medium-term uptrend channel, but it continues to consolidate at the bottom of the channel. Here's the Euro US dollar. Price remains in the short-term downtrend channel. This is the pound yen. It's in a medium-term uptrend channel, but presently moving down in a short-term downtrend channel. And here's the US dollar yen. It continues to move down in a short-term downtrend channel. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. If you'd like further details about our analysis in Section 1, please listen to Section 2, which follows. For more detail on the trading strategy, please go to www.donchiantrader.com and request the free trading guide. My podcasts are now being carried on iTunes. Recently posted is Treat Your Trading Like a Business, Selecting a Financial Instrument to Trade. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page. Please continue listening for Section 2. In Section 2, we'll go into a little bit more detail behind our analysis. We'll be talking about 1. The time of day to do the daily review. 2. Review of the two indexes. 3. Background on the ADX indicator. 4. Determining the strength of the 8 currencies. And 5. Selecting the potential pairs to trade. The Forex trading week begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday and ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So during the week, the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We wait until after 5 p.m. to do our daily review. This is because the daily bar has closed on the price chart and the indicators are all up to date. The first things we'll look at in the daily review are two indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We'll use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Here's the price chart. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where all of the other markets are going. The second index we'll monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US dollar index to do this. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The first step every day in reviewing the Forex market is to analyze the ADX indicator for each of the 28 Forex pairs that we monitor. The ADX indicator can be red or green. If the ADX is red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If the ADX is green and the price is increasing, we'll put a +1. If the ADX is green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a -1. What we do is we take the results from the ADX analysis and we plug it into our strength analyzer. This strength analyzer will give us the strength for each of the 8 currencies. From the strength analyzer, we put the results in this table. Today on Sunday, we had 1 strong currency and 1 weak currency. We're only going to use strong currencies between +3 and +7, and weak currencies between -3 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pairs to trade. Today we had 1 potential pair to trade, and this is the Aussie US dollar. And this would be going long or buying the Forex pair. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of what we were doing in section 1.